Want to learn how to create your own custom face stickers using Canva and Cricut? Then keep on watching. Hey y'all, Victoria Cherie here with Pretty Party and Crafty, and we're going to jump right into how you can make your own custom face stickers using Canva and Cricut. So first thing, with Canva open, you're going to create a document. Mine is size 6 by 6 inches, but you can make yours bigger or smaller. Already have your picture brought in, and with it selected, you're going to click Edit at the top, and on the left side panel under Magic Studio, you're going to select Magic Grab. Now this is a pro feature. Now it automatically selects everything, but we just want the head. So on the left side, we're going to select brush, and then we're going to brush over the head only. Now you can adjust the brush size by sliding the slider to the left or right. Now with the head selected, you're going to select grab on the left side, and as you can see, it's magic, and we have the head selected. So I'm just going to enlarge it, and then I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to download it as a PNG with a transparent background. So with Design Space open, what I'm going to do is hit New Project, top right corner. I'm going to select Upload. I want to select Upload Image, and there's two ways you can bring it in. You can drag it in, or you can click on Browse, but I like to just drag it in. So click and drag. All right, I'm going to hit Continue at the bottom right. I'm going to hit Apply and Continue at the bottom right, and I'm going to make sure that I select Flat Graphic and hit Continue at the bottom right. Okay, if you want to save this in a particular location, change its name, add tags, you can do that here, but I'm just going to upload it. Okay, so our image comes in big, and we can just go ahead and resize this. So I like to click and drag the corners. But if you know you want a particular side to be a certain height or width, you can go ahead and put that in there. So for height, I'm just going to put 2 for now. So that looks good. Let's maybe take that to about a 4. All right, so I have that. I decided that I want this to be an easy peel label, so I select offset and I set it to 0.069 and click apply. And you can change that color if you want to. I actually will change this to white. And I'm just going to move that on the side for a minute. Okay, so with this, I'm actually going to make 2 of these. So I'm just going to right click and do duplicate. And then I'm going to select everything and attach it. So I have 1 of these and 2 of these. Align everything and center. And I'm going to make sure I put him back on top. Select everything, right click, and I'm going to hit attach. So we are good. So now at the top right, I'm going to select make. And I'm not going to save this one. And how many can we get on here? I'm thinking I can get maybe 4 or 5. So where it says project copies, I'm going to change that to 4 and hit apply. I still think I can get these 2. So I'm going to go to the second page, and I want to select both of those, hit the 3 dots, move object, and I want it on the first page. I'm going to hit confirm. It's going to take me back to the first page. Once I'm done arranging the faces, I go ahead and hit continue. I select my machine. I'm using the Maker 3. I send it to the printer. Now I'm going to turn off bleed and turn on the system dialog box and select my printer again. In your system dialog box, you're going to select your printer again, and then make sure you click on preferences or options. And for paper type, make sure it says photo paper glossy if you're printing on glossy paper. I also like to choose more options because I control my colors. Under color correction, I select custom, advanced, color controls. Color mode is Adobe RGB, and my gamma is 2.2. And then I hit print. Once I print my image, I'm going to set my base material. I selected printable vinyl specialty. You can find that by clicking browse all materials. Now I'm just going to load my mat and send it to cut. I printed on our Party Printables vinyl, and this is what it looks like once it's printed. Once you print, then you'll just add it to your mat. I like to use a brayer. So when you load it into your machine, first it's going to read the registration marks. After it reads the registration marks, then it's going to go around and cut the images. Now, each face is going to have like 3 cuts. You have your kiss cut, and then you're going to have your die cut. Once it's done cutting, then you'll take it out of the machine, and then you'll carefully peel it off. And now you have your very own custom face stickers. And plus, again, this is easy to peel. So we have the offset that we just peel off, and now it makes peeling the actual sticker really easy. And you can use this for so many things. So hopefully you learned something new. Be sure to like and follow for more. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Later, y'all.